Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Lay Antikay, 43 years old, married, blessed with one child. I finished 2 years vocational course. I worked as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 3 years in a one employer. First 2 years finished contract, second 1 year. I served one couple and three children. My main duties are take caring children, sending them to school, preparing their foods and needs going to school, cooking, marketing, washing clothes, gardening, and car washing. I am honest, trustworthy, kind, and can help and can work without supervision. To my future employer, if you do hire me, I promise to do my best, to do my duties and responsibilities, to work and follow your rules and regulations to work in your good family. I promise to finish my contract and more, and treat you and serve you as my second family. Mom, sir, thank you.